Lithographic printing. It is more than just operating a machine. You need to study the entire process, its structure, its properties, and to understand the interaction between the water, ink and paper. The design of the image and text is laser etched and transferred onto multiple sheets of aluminium called the press plate. One press plate is mounted to a cylinder in each printing unit. This machine has 6 printing units. Each unit prints one colour. Colour printing typically uses ink of 4 colours: cyan, magenta, yellow and black. The colour model CMYK. For this job we will be using 4 of the printing units. The stack of paper is lifted into position. A sheet separation unit separates the paper with jets of air or a vacuum to ensure that only one sheet is sent through the press at any one time. As the press plate rotates, its first point of contact is the dampening unit. This has a mixture of water and other chemicals. This dampens the non-image area of the press plate. The press plate then passes the inking unit. Starting from the ink fountain, the ink will pass through multiple rollers called a roller train, which then sticks to the image area of the press plate. It is then passed to the blanket cylinder, which squeezes the water and the inked image area is picked up. It is then passed to the final cylinder called the impression cylinder. The paper runs between the impression cylinder and the blanket cylinder, pressing the image onto the paper. The paper will then run through the transfer drums. Each cylinder is equipped with grippers that pick up the paper from the previous cylinder and transfer it to the next. Once the prints have passed through each unit, they will then be dried with hot and cool air and placed on the delivery pile.